Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 18 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You can also check the unlocks and notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can tap either inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the screen time in particular days of a week, so we can compare them. Under it, you've got the list of apps you've been using and the exact time you've spent on them. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, camera, Chrome, whatever you've got here. So let's tap on the settings, and again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so we can compare how much time you've spent on this one app. Again, change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, and daily to hourly. What is more, if you'll decide that you spend too much time on the screen or you're receiving too many notifications, like here for example, you can check ways to disconnect. So for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, you can choose some distracting apps, for example social media, just mark them. Let's pretend that the camera and Chrome are the most distracting apps for me. And after marking, you can set a schedule. You can choose particular days of a week with the start and the end time. And in this schedule, your device will simply hide the notifications from distracting apps, so you'll be able to focus on, for example, working or spending time with your family. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.